Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today I just got the RR racing tune. I'm very excited for this, as it does gain 22 extra horsepower to my car. This is all that it came with, just this. This is the RR racing tune for my Lexus Is250. Inside comes with instructions to download the software on your PC or Windows computer. Right here we got the handheld device, the Alright guys, so after fixing all the lights on my car, or the only light on my car, downloading the file right now. After you update this, you just plug the OBD2 into your car, and then just select what kind of car you have. Of course, I have the Is250 2.5 liters, so that's what we're gonna select. Switch on the dashboard, check the connections, and press OK. So 1, 2, and then press OK. Close my door. Switch it off, just did that. You guys click ID one more time. Switch on the dashboard. Do that one more time. Right there for you guys. Okay. Alright guys, so after they email you back the tune, you guys just download it. Alright guys, so after you guys download your guys' tune, you're just gonna wanna upload it, click it, open, just like that. And done. Next, that's my tune. And now it's writing the tune onto the OBD2 machine. You guys just want to click continue. And yeah guys, just to make sure I did it one more time, and yeah, the file is on my tuner now. And let's go tune up the car. Alright guys, so after you plug it in and write your file, I guess we can get started to writing the tune onto my ECU now. So double click, and then you're gonna wanna select work, writing, and then the tune that they sent you guys, and press OK. Make sure AC is off, no music, and then you guys are want to switch on the dashboard and check the connections and press OK. So once again, double click and then press OK. Now it's writing the file. Close my door. Also be including some clips of some 0 to 60 of my car before the tune. I did take some videos before, so I'll let you guys know what the difference is, if there really is a difference in power. Switch off the dashboard to continue. So switch it off, continue, and then writing complete, analyzing, login progress. Should take like a second. My neighbor just got out. Oops. And I think that's everything, guys. So my car is now tuned by RR Racing. Let's go test this out. Alright guys, this is gonna be the first startup since the tune. Let's see, let's go. Whoa, my car just didn't start. I guess we can give it a little to breathe. Don't really hear much of a difference, but I'll let you guys know. What's going on, guys? So I just recently installed some R1 concept brake rotors drilled and slotted, along with their ceramic brake pads as well. This is how it looks. This is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Sorry I didn't get to film this either, but this is how the car currently sits, you guys. I did also install these side skirts. Just need to get it painted. What's going on, guys? It's Kevin. I'm gonna be reviewing the RR Racing tune that I recently installed on my Lexus Is250. As you guys can tell or can see, there's no issues with my car. No lights, no anything. I can turn off the traction control button off for you guys. There you guys go. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with my car after tuning it. No check engines, no nothing. I really like the tune because it does make my car a little bit quicker. It's not the fastest, but you do feel a difference. This tune is actually worth it. Sorry I didn't get to film much for you guys. I've been busy with school and work. If you follow me on IG, you would know that I recently installed some R1 concept and slotted brake rotors and brake pads. I didn't film it because my dad was the one that installed it, and he didn't let me touch my camera because he was trying to teach me. But yeah, I don't have any complaints about the rotors either. They work really well. I was driving all day yesterday. I was driving for about 4 or 5 hours non-stop. I don't have any complaints. They brake on time. The brakes are really good. You don't slip or anything. I know that once you first install them, they will slip only because they haven't been broken into or warmed up yet. But after the first day of breaking them in, they feel really smooth. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said again, I've been busy with school and work, which is why I haven't been able to upload any videos or post anything for you guys. I post here and there on my IG that you guys can follow right here. Thank you. Peace.